You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this International Federation of Chess, otherwise known as FIDE. In French it is said as Fédération internationale des échecs. Échec is chess in French. Fédération internationale des échecs. International Chess Federation. Fédération internationale des échecs, you could say. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.